All right, everybody, welcome to Pig Day. We finally got pigs. We got them from a place called Cable's Piggery, Candy Cables, Stephen Cables, down in Silver City, Georgia. We got 3 pigs. They're Hampshire Drock crosses. Super cool experience. The last video I sent everybody had what this place looked like a while ago. But so here's what we got. There's this cool table that came with this shed. That was here, very useful. These nesting boxes are working great. These came with the shed too. And then so we have our portable electric here. This will all eventually be on wheels and movable, but for today, this is where it's at. Got it all grounded out here. Then you can see over here, we've got the welded wire fencing we put up to try and help keep this nice and predator proof. I put chicken wire around the bottom of this shed that's out here. So we've got this all set up for them out here. This is a cart that I made for moving their water around. And they've got the little nipple waterers on there. And then this is their first electric fence that we made. This is just to teach them what electric fences is, or are. Electric fences are. And then back here, so that's where they're going to spend their first month in here. And then once they're a month old, they'll come out here and they'll get to live in this house where they are right now. In here.
Hello, boys.
Hello. Hello, prosciutto.
Right.
BLT and
Capicola.
Capicola. I forgot that one.
All right, that's fine. All right, here, Matthew, you're going to be in charge of holding it. All right.
Grab prosciutto first.
Let's see if we can do this. I'm going to grab whichever one I can.
You're going to scratch you. Probably. Piggy, quick.
All right, here comes prosciutto.
That's not on.
I know.
Okay.
Will.
All right, here, hold on. I'm going to go ahead and turn the fence on,
Yeah.
just in case they decide to run back this way. All right, fence is hot.
Okay. Don't touch it.
All right, looks like Capicola's next.
Your squeal. It's like you're going to kill them.
There's Capicola. All right. What is this, bacon?
BLT.
BLT?
Crispy bacon.
Crispy bacon. All right, crispy bacon.
Come here.
Going for a ride. Come on. All right. There you go, Crispy.
Did you?
All right.
Why are you doing that? I want to see.
And that's the little pigs. Our 3 little pigs. Crispy bacon, prosciutto, and capicola.
Do you want me to turn off?